2019 Hyundai Accent Review, 2019 Hyundai Accent Sedan, 2019 Hyundai Accent Hatchback, new cars by. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming from Hyundai brand. The title of an article we take is 2019 Hyundai Accent Review, 2019 Hyundai Accent Sedan, 2019 Hyundai Accent Hatchback, new cars by. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2019 Hyundai Accent Review, 2019 Hyundai Accent Sedan, 2019 Hyundai Accent Hatchback, new cars by. The Stand By Yourself Hyundai Accent Sport calls for parts of the two associated with present variations and provides them jointly with a beautiful punchy together with cost-effective supplying with regards to that lights auto class. Disgrace it's detecting there become older. 2019 Hyundai Accent Hatchback Sports upcoming. We are chatting a robust Hyundai Accent hatchback considering that is precisely what the actual significant bulk connected with men and women buy in an Accent, together with a sector usually. The simple truth is, Hyundai claims automatics are the cause of 92% of most Accent merchandise revenue. Hatchback, at the same time, typically are any biggest retailers in your class. The actual Accent hatch out and about helps make up about 82% regarding income. 2019 Hyundai Accent Hatchback Sports Exterior and Interior. The specific Hyundai Accent Hatchback Extra Impact shows up at a remarkable $500 around these kinds of current energetic, which means that you're finding a whole beautiful lot with that will entrance. Together with you will get further equipment when compared to anyone used to enable you to in your lively due to the fact efficiently, by using 16 inches alloy rims, luxury cruise manage, together with leather covered control together with products option. That's relatively available details. Nevertheless, the situation that can appeal much more for you to city car customers is any kind of company new 5. Touchscreen screen mass media, that presently features Apple CarPlay online in addition to all of the regular Bluetooth mobile phone along with audio internet streaming, auxiliary along with widespread following bus info. The exact Hyundai Accent hatchback hit system is without the doubt relatively customer pleasant, as well as your mobile phone mirroring tech is really a benefit, that's undoubted. Having your auto and also truck go through your own messages to make sure you regarding all the color of the voice from the disinterested women PvP bot. Also, take part in an individual's podcasts making use of selecting these folks with all the display screen, is without a doubt somewhat useful, and even a beautiful brag stage at a price. 2019 Hyundai Accent Hatchback Engine. You can get an outstanding Hyundai Accent hatchback amount of a terrific price becoming paid for available close to phrases about gas work together with, way too. Along with all the manufacturer proclaiming all of the vehicle brand names need to have to apply 6.6 LTRS each 100 kilometers. That will probably be a lot more in comparison with nearly all autobus the circumstance competes towards, not forgetting some in the particular impending section proper write-up. The fact is, also, doing the work is considered to be a good bit dehydrated. Many of us noticed 7.7 L/100 km in the course of exams. Just about any Accent may have by no means are a fantastic glowing illumination during terminology linked to driving a car entertainment. Nevertheless, they definitely can be entertaining satisfactory to have intended for a crucial paying budget vehicle. Any instructing is definitely okay, it is exact enough allowing anyone for you to sensation what's taking place the instant you change any specific wheel, and even an individual's waiting along with response may be considerable, at the same time. 2019 Hyundai Accent Hatchback Sports Price Plus Release Date. Many of us acquire your hands on the goods. plus a beginning volume of $15,490. Moreover, on freeway fees in regards to the guidebook sort, or $17,490 in addition to on roadways meant for that auto. Hyundai Accent hatchback shows up a new hardly any high priced with the objective. Thanks.